So today we got NCS coming to do the chain replacement. Supposed to be replacing these chains, and then I'm going to be replacing these as well. Yeah, we're going to be pushing it for this week, pushing this week. Just got to move a couple things, and then I think we're going to be straight. Everything coming along. Yeah, everything looking good. I'm about to do these. Give me a flathead screwdriver and do these, bust these out real quick.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see.
Gearing up. We're gonna do the dryer nozzles, and then we're gonna take care of the garbage afterwards. Alright, so I need a flathead. I know it's a flathead lying around here somewhere. Yo, why is every time find one? It's rusty as fuck. But oh, it's plenty right here. Plenty. And we got our NCS guy here. Ooh. NCS is here. Going back his truck in.
Well, what you gotta do is, what we're gonna have to do is eventually is put a car in a queue, send it down the conveyor, and then watch how quick brushes will come in on it and touch it. So it has all this back here. Oh, and I got a new pulse sensor.
Okay.
That reads how fast the conveyor's going. Right here. But I don't see any signs of any oil in this stuff. That's water? Yeah. Oh. So yeah, we'll have to start it up, run it.
Because this was dry.
I gotta get a bunch of these rollers eventually. What I'm gonna start with first is that brush repair. Those seats nuts. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Hey, it's nice to see this place coming back on. Yes. Oh, we're opening soon.
Yep. Shortly. Alright, so took these off, got them down, and we're gonna replace them while NCS do his thing. Yes, sir. So I was talking to Bill from NCS, and he said based on what he had to do today, it's probably going to be a 2-day job because this one brush that he was working on, for some reason, it seized up and it was hard for him to release it. So he had to have me help him out. He had to bring out his torch, had to do everything in order to get this thing released. I can still hear him hammering right now, so he probably still haven't got that shit off. But we gonna go check on him in a minute. I gotta put back on my bodysuit so I can stay clean. I don't want none of these chemicals on me.
box to get it off.
Gee.
There's the actual
You like
gear box.
broke it. Oh my goodness.
What a nightmare. Usually these things take like 2 hours, you're done.
Times 3 today.
So yeah, now I'm gonna just go ahead and put everything back together.
Okay.
Move on to another thing.
Okay.
And then next week, I'm not sure. One of the, I got figured probably like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday after that.
Okay.
For sure.
Definitely need that. You definitely need that. Couple things we got to do out here. Garbage pickup is tomorrow. We're going to replace this. We got to put up our own sign. So now next thing is we got to open up our coin machine or our bill collector or whatever you want to call this machine. Coin machine. Well, it ain't no coins because we ain't got no coins. So, all right, boom. So now we got to calibrate the touch a little bit. And then just got to do a few updates. Clean this off. And then we're going to be good to go. Halfway through the day. What time is it? Like 1 o'clock maybe? 1, maybe 2 o'clock. I was doing the dryer nozzles. Got those cleaned up. I took down the nozzles to see which ones could be replaced, which ones salvageable. 4 of them definitely got to go. Garbage pickup is tomorrow, Thursday. So yeah, up with the old. These are some that still valid. They still could go. There's 2, 3, yeah, 3, 4, 5. As long as we got 5, we good. 6. So about 6 original ones. But these are a little bit thinner, which probably a little bit more effective, but I don't know. See, they're a little bit shorter, and these is thicker. Today's recap. Today. Today I got a lot done. We was out here, 8 hours? Nah, not even 8, I'm lying. About to be 8 hours, like 9 to 5, basically. So the NCS, my NCS technician dude came. Bill, he came in today. He basically ran down what was supposed to be done. But so far, today, he was supposed to do a 301 brush replacement because we had a brush that was seized up. He was supposed to do the chain for the conveyor, and then he was supposed to do the rollers that goes on the chain for the conveyor. We're doing new upgrades on those. It's gonna be different wheels, different rollers. However, today, he was only able to get the 301 brush done, which I'm gonna show you. He was only able to get that done because the motor, the shaft, and the motor was seized up. So he had to basically melt where the bolt connected with the motor and the shaft. He had to melt it down and break it off in order for him to free up the new motor from the shaft in order to replace that motor and put in a whole new shaft. So that took him longer than expected. He said usually a job like that, it would take him 2 to 3 hours and then he would be done. But he said he had no expectations as far as it taking this long. Instead of today being a 1-day job, he probably got to turn it into a 2 to 3 day job, depending on how easy the conveyor is to be done. That's going to tell how many more days it's going to take for him to finish. But we're making progress. Right now, we're looking at an April 1st opening. To do a couple more stuff in order to get this fully up and going, and then hopefully trying to hit the ground running April 1st. So this is how we're looking. Don't mind the mess right now. Do not mind the mess. Just got to finish up the drain real quick. Got a couple more buckets to do, which we're going to take care of this weekend. Going to finish cleaning out this little drain. So this is how we looking so far. Boom. So Bill from NCS, he came in and was doing this brush right here. So like I said, this one was seized up. Now we up and running. We up and running, baby. And then also, we replace new nozzles. So we got brand new dryer nozzles going. Don't mind the mess. And here we at with it. We got new nozzles and a new brush right here. Fixed up brush. We ready. Suds and shine, baby.